Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca, this is my husband Murphy, and right now we are traveling, right now we're putting our shirt on. We are currently in Thailand on a little tropical island off the coast called Koh Phangan.
Close enough.
I'm not sure how to say it. It's very beautiful though. We're actually here for about 3 weeks. So we've been traveling around a lot. If you've been watching our videos, we've been to 5 countries, I think. So we decided to stop for a little while and just be, and we picked this little lovely island. So because we opted to be here for a while, we decided to rent a house so that we had a kitchen and we could cook some of our own food and just have a little bit of space to ourselves. So we are gonna go out and explore today, but before we go out, I just wanted to give you a little tour around our house. What's your favorite part of the house?
Kitchen, bathroom, seating area?
The whole thing?
Kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty great. Here, let me show you around. Here, and there's a bamboo fence around the entire thing, so there's a bit of privacy. And there's just a couple chairs for lounging. And then this way, so everything is open air except for the bedroom. So this part is the kitchen. You see the thatched roof up there, and then if you walk through here, it just has a little 2-burner stove, and that's a convection and toaster oven. And then blender, biggest refrigerator we've seen in a long time. And it comes equipped with some pots and pans and utensils and stuff. And then there's a little loungy seating area over here. That's just a little coil. You burn it like incense to keep the mosquitoes away. It actually works really well. And then here's just another little loungy area. This is where I've been doing yoga in the morning. And then through here is the bedroom. So this room is air conditioned, which is really nice. And then if you walk through the bedroom, this is the door to the bathroom. And the bathroom again goes outside, so it's open air.
It's awesome.
So sink. And then around the corner here is the shower. So I would say this place is by far our most favorite place that we've stayed. It's a little bit more expensive than some other places just because it's an entire house, but still really affordable. I think maybe it was like $28 a night or something like that. But it's been great just to have our own space and a kitchen. So if you don't know, before we left for Southeast Asia, we were living in a Volkswagen bus. So this is like giant. It feels like so much space to us. So we're gonna head out to a little place called Bottle Beach for the day. It's apparently a 2-hour jungle hike to get to this beach, but allegedly it's one of the most beautiful beaches in Thailand. And there's supposed to be really good snorkeling. So hopefully we get to see some fish, and hopefully we'll make it through the jungle hike. We didn't make it very far. We realized that there's no food out on that island that you have to hike to, so we decided to just stop really quick and get a quick bite to eat before we go out there. Luckily, we're staying in the part of the island that has like a road with like 4 or 5 vegan restaurants right on it. So we're at a place called, I think it's like Pure Vegan Heaven is what it's called. We came here a couple days ago. The food's really good. So just a quick bite before we head off. How are the nachos?
They're terrible, you don't want any.
And I got this veggie wrap that's wrapped in seaweed. It's got like carrots and cabbage and greens. There's a little tempeh in there, tomato. It's just a lot larger than the picture, but I feel like I can do it. Okay, now we're ready. All right, we found it. We just started. Everything we read was like, don't do it in the middle of the day. It's really hot. It's 12:30. We're not very good at listening to instructions. Although I did wear real shoes. I haven't worn real shoes in a while, but Murphy did not follow directions. He's wearing flip-flops, I think. Seems like it's gonna be fine in flip-flops, but I didn't want to chance it. Flip-flops. They working okay?
Fine.
Murphy also just told me to look out for cobras. Apparently that's a thing. All eyes peeled for snakes. I'm just trying to figure out which way the trail goes. We got a blue dot on that rock, so it either goes from there up those rocks or back into those woods. It's hard to tell. Oh, Murphy just yelled to me, either way? Okay, either way. He said faster to go up the rock, so this rock is pretty slabby, but it's okay. We've gone from ascending to descending, and I was trying to film it, but I kind of think I need my hand for it because it's just like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like a long gravel slide down. I would like much rather hike up. Whoa, I'm gonna hurt myself. I would much rather hike up forever than going down. I just like hate the feeling of like descents like this where it's just like sandy gravel and you feel like you're just gonna like slide down, like your momentum is just like this the whole time. Not very fun, but it is really pretty, very jungly. Alright, we made it here. It was not like a 2-hour hike. It took an hour and 10 minutes. Murphy did it even faster than that. And I'm definitely glad that I wore sneakers. You definitely don't need them. Like, if you only have flip-flops with you, you can certainly do it, but it was a lot easier with shoes on.
A lot of kitty litter.
What do you call it?
A lot of kitty litter.
What's that?
Like where the rock is broken and then creates basically what looks like kitty litter. Like,
oh, what I was calling like gravelly wet. It's really windy and the water, I don't know if you can see it, is like really choppy, which is a bummer for 2 reasons. One, because we really wanted to snorkel and Murphy just said he can't see anything. And secondly, because we wanted to hang out here all afternoon and then there's a taxi boat that will take you back so you don't have to do the hike up and over that mountain. But I don't think that the taxi boat is going to be running because the water is too choppy. So we might have to do the hike back, which is okay, but we also don't have headlamps, so we need to just make sure we leave in time to be able to do it in the daylight. It's all fine. It's still beautiful here. We're still gonna hang out for a while. Just not exactly what we planned. We are back home. Oh, I'm sorry about this like very scary lighting. That's all we got. So we're back home. I am just making a little bit of curry for dinner. So we didn't end up getting to do really any snorkeling. We did go to a second beach to see if it was better there, but it was the same. Let me show you the curry that I'm making. And here there's onions and some lemongrass and some hot chilies in the bottom. And then this, I'm not sure if those are supposed to be brown on the inside. It's unclear, but they're like mini little eggplants and broccoli and carrots. And then we got a bunch of these mushrooms. I'm super excited for those. And we'll just put that together with some of the curry paste and the coconut milk and some rice that Murphy made. And hopefully it'll be delicious. Coming along here, I will show it to you. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. The thing about cooking in Asia is like we bought some curry paste, but I don't know how to read the directions on it. Like I just put some curry paste in with some coconut milk and hopefully that works. We'll see. What was the best part of the day?
Hasn't happened yet.
What are you anticipating happening?
Eating good food.
Are you bummed that you didn't get to go snorkeling?
I would be if we were going to be here for like 4 days. We get to be here for a while. So.
Yeah, we're here for a really long time. I know, the mosquitoes are bad. That's the only bad thing about having an outdoor kitchen. What was the worst part of the day?
Getting to Bottle Beach and being like, I want to play in the water. And then the water was a little rougher than I would have preferred. Which frankly, if that's the worst part of my day.
Oh, your poor day.
Dear me, I don't know.
Alright, you ready to eat?
No.
Perfect. Alright, here's the finished product. Hopefully it turned out. It smells really good. I think it's gonna be really spicy. Alright, we're just gonna eat some dinner and turn in for the night. So I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thanks for coming along for a day in our life. I put out new videos every week, so make sure you subscribe down below to follow along with our travels. Bye friends. We don't know where we are. That's what I said.
Done.
I put out new videos every week, so stop making that face. I can't say anything. Oh. Here, talk to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. I don't know what to do.
Did you panic?
Yeah.
No boats.
Mosquito in my face.
How are the bugs?
They like me.
Hey, me too.